Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove notification virus like Taboola ads or other like that things from your Samsung Galaxy M14. So there is a two ways by it, by the system settings and by the antivirus app. Now I'm going to show you the first method by the settings. So we have to open the settings and go to the apps. Now check the app list to if you see something strange on this list, the app that you have not installed, just tap on it, click on install, configure it by OK, and that's it. After that, go to the app list again and look for your web browser. Now just choose the storage here and tap on the manage storage. Click clear all data, click OK, and now your web browser should be free from notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. In my case it's Avast. You can also try to download any other app. And now in the Avast, just click here on this. You should see here a green circle with the scan now. Okay, like here, tap on the scan now. You have to add permissions to the files, and after that choose the scan type. Use the deep scan. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.